What's up, guys? We're back at the Beaver Lodge Smoke Pit, and today we're smoking one of my favorites, mini meatloafs on the Oklahoma Joes offset smoker. I'm going to light a couple of these tumbleweeds and get a chimney full of charcoal going. I like to have a nice hot bed of coals going before I add any wood to the firebox. Alright, these coals are starting to ash over pretty good. We'll get them dumped into the firebox, and then we can add some wood. Today I'm going to be using oak wood. I think oak makes for a nice middle-of-the-road smoking wood. And we cut down 3 oak trees last year, so use what you got, right? Okay, while the pit gets up to temp, let's go mix our ingredients. Alright, today I'm using a simple classic meatloaf recipe. You can definitely make whatever your favorite recipe is. That's the great thing about smoking meatloaf. You can really experiment with your recipe. I think every time I make a meatloaf, I change something. Whether it's the ingredients I put in or the seasonings I use. And you can add things like peppers, you can stuff it with cheese, or use venison for the meat. Anything works when it comes to smoking a meatloaf. I'm using a mini meatloaf pan, and I'll spray that with a little bit of cooking spray. Then I'll stuff it with the meatloaf mixture. Cooking these in the pan will help keep them from getting too dry out in the smoker. And the remaining mixture I'll make into a larger meatloaf. Then I'll season these up with a barbecue rub. We're going to be cooking these today at about 250, 275 degrees. And I'm using a water pan in the smoker to help keep a little bit more moisture in there. We'll get these added. I'm going to keep the bigger meatloaf on a piece of tin foil to help the drippings stay out of the bottom of my grill. And then I'll put the digital thermometer probe into the larger meatloaf to monitor the temp throughout the cook. And we're going to take this up to an internal temp of 160 degrees. I'm going to make up a little bit of a sauce that I'll use to spread over the meatloaf when they're just about done cooking. This is just 1 teaspoon of tomato paste, half a cup of barbecue sauce, and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And just mix it together. It has been about 2 hours, and I've removed the meatloafs from the pan. This way they'll get brown on all sides and kind of build up a little bit of a crust. Oh, these are looking nice. They're at right about 150 degrees or so, so we're ready to add the sauce. Oh man, these are looking absolutely perfect. I can't wait to bite into them. I'm going to let the mini meatloafs cool down, and then I'm going to individually wrap them and put them in the freezer. I have those for lunches and sandwiches later on. But tonight I'm going to have this one for dinner. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our Instagram and Facebook pages. And don't forget to subscribe.